To add playlists to your website, select the Features panel and drag the playlist feature to your page. Select the playlist you want to display from the list of your playlists in the Settings panel. If you haven't added any playlists yet, you can do so from the Asset Manager. Once you've selected your playlist, resize the playlist box using the handles around the playlist feature. Open the header accordion. You can change the font and color of the header text. Adjust its positioning. And adjust the background color using the pre-selected color palettes. Backgrounds can be either a solid color or a linear gradient. You can also style each playlist item. The options are the same as for the header, and they work the same way. Add borders to any and all of the sides of the playlist feature like this. Adjust the size of the border with the slider. Finally, you can add a box shadow to your playlist feature. Adjust the position of the shadow, the amount of blur, the color, and the opacity.